Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to assemble this nightstand. This nightstand features Walker Edison's new Easy Assembly Premium technology, which means the drawer box comes pre-assembled and no tools are required. This also reduces the assembly time by 90% or more, and this nightstand should take about 5 minutes to assemble. So let's get into it. In step 1, we're going to take out the drawers. To do this, just lift up and then pull out like that. Same thing with the other drawer. Up at an angle and they should come out. Then we're going to take the handles and flip them around to the outside. So that's step 2, and then next in step 3 we're going to attach the feet to the bottom of the drawer box. And the feet are the ones that look like this, and those just screw into these holes here. Next we'll take this top piece and then we'll screw in these middle posts onto the bottom. Next, in step 5, we'll attach this piece to the top of the drawer box. So we'll flip this over. And then we'll rest this on top and just make sure that this edge that has the bevel on it is facing forwards. Then we'll take our thumb screws and put those in to the posts through the inside. And on these, it can be helpful to get them all in part way, and then once they're all in, you can tighten them. Okay, once those are all tight, we can move on to the last step and put in the drawers. So these just tip up a little bit, and then get the wheels in and they should slide in. Same thing with this one. And then we're all done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new nightstand. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.